So Postman just launched the Orbit API that lets you search and integrate APIs into your applications. And they also launched an MCP server. So let's go ahead and use it. If I go to build with orbit.ai, I'm just going to copy this command and let's go to Claude. Now let's just make sure that it's there. And we can see that we have this Orbit MCP server. So Orbit has two simple tools, search and integrate. You just have to ask Orbit what you want. It's going to find the right API and then integrate it into your app. So let's try that out. Let's say find an API that can create or update pages in a database. Use the Orbit MCP server. Okay, amazing. So Orbit found the Notion API, which can create and update these pages in a database exactly how I wanted. Now we're going to ask Orbit to integrate. So integrate Notion into this app. And you can see the Orbit API finished adding Notion into my app. Notion is wired into the gateway following the same shape as the other integrations that I have. These are the files that were created. We used the Orbit API to search for a new API to integrate it into my app, and it was completely free, no auth, no setup, super simple with Orbit.